This is the promo for Paranormal Short Session 1 by Keith Evans at the Digital Alarm Clock. Today is Tuesday, the 24th of December, 2024. I'm using my C5 Flare thermal camera. The yellow area is the hottest part of the digital alarm clock. It's kind of like yellowish white. And it's a reading of about, as you see in the top left-hand corner, it's about 97 degrees, 0.7 degrees Fahrenheit. Let me say that correctly. It's about, well, it's going down now. Let me try to get it right in the center. About 97.8 degrees Fahrenheit. It keeps moving around on me. See if I can get the little round in the center. There we go. Well, it looks like it's 96.4 degrees Fahrenheit. Or is it 98 degrees, 0.1? 98.1 degrees Fahrenheit. All right, that's pretty warm. Hope you will check out my YouTube channel, Paranormal Short Sessions by Keith Evans. Thank you.